You should do the world a favor and let us kill you.
He's like, no.
No thanks.
At least he thought about it.
Then
Okay.
that's that.
Let's do it. Oh, whoa!
I'd like to
Oh,
see you
weird.
try.
Oh, yes. Is that like a fake hand? Oh, that's kind of wild. Ah, here we go. Katana Man versus Chainsaw Man. Nice. Again, Katana Man, love his design. Really sick. Oof. Awesome. Incredibly impressive. Gotta watch out for that like supersonic move that Katana Man has, though.